Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the RL Craft mod for Minecraft, one of the most challenging mod packs that completely transforms the survival experience by adding realistic mechanics, tougher enemies, and new gameplay systems. To get started, we'll be using a third-party application called CurseForge, which makes installing mods quick and easy. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type CurseForge exactly as written. Usually, the official website will be the first result, but make sure the URL is correct, curseforge.com. Once you're on the site, look for the orange button labeled Get CurseForge app and click on it. You'll be redirected to another page where you should click on Download Standalone. After clicking, the installer will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder or your browser's download bar and follow the installation instructions. After the installation finishes, launch the CurseForge app. When you open CurseForge, you'll see a dashboard with several supported games like Minecraft, World of Warcraft, and others. Since this tutorial is focused on Minecraft, look for it in the left side menu. If Minecraft doesn't appear automatically, click on the Add Game button and select the option to scan your computer for installed games. If it still doesn't show up, you may need to add it manually. And if you can't find it at all, it likely means Minecraft is not installed on your computer yet. Once Minecraft is available in the left menu, click on it. A new page will open showing your mod packs under My Mod Packs. To install RL Craft, you can either browse manually using the Discover tab or use the search bar for a faster method. In the search field labeled Search for Minecraft Projects, type RL Craft, all together, no spaces, and press Enter. You'll see several results, so to find the correct one, use the sorting option, Sort, and select Popularity. This will bring the official RL Craft mod pack to the top. You can recognize it by its icon, its creator, and the fact that it has tens of millions of downloads. Click on it to open its page, and then click the orange Install button. Once you click Install, the mod pack will start downloading and installing automatically. You can track the progress in the My Mod Pack section. After the installation is complete, RL Craft will appear there, ready to play. That's it. Now you can launch the mod pack and enjoy a much more intense and challenging Minecraft survival experience.